In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new page in Webflow. Creating additional pages is an important part of building and expanding your website because it allows you to organize content more effectively and provide visitors with a better browsing experience. Whether you're adding a contact page, a services section, a blog page, or any other type of content, Webflow makes the process simple and beginner-friendly. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire setup process in a smooth and easy-to-follow way. To get started, make sure you are signed in to your Webflow account. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard, which is the main area where all your projects are stored and managed. Here, you'll see a collection of your existing websites and design projects. Next, locate the project where you want to create a new page. Move your cursor over the project card, then select the option to open it inside the Webflow Designer. This will launch the editing workspace where you can customize your website structure, layout, and content. After the designer loads completely, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice several icons that control different parts of your project. Look for the icon that resembles a sheet of paper, since this represents the Pages panel. Click on that icon and the Pages menu will slide open from the side of the screen. Inside the Pages panel, you'll find an option near the top that allows you to create a new page. Click this button to begin the process. A small menu or drop-down will appear, giving you the option to create a brand new page within your project. Select that option to open the Page Settings window. Once the Page Settings panel appears, you can start customizing your new page. Begin by entering a clear and recognizable page name. Choosing descriptive names is very helpful, especially as your website grows and includes more sections over time. Proper page organization makes managing your project much easier in the long run. As you continue scrolling through the settings, you'll notice additional customization options available. These may include settings related to search engine optimization, page visibility, password protection, and other controls that influence how the page functions and appears online. Take a moment to review these carefully so your new page is configured exactly the way you want. When you're satisfied with the settings and adjustments, click the Create button to finalize the process. Your new page will immediately be added to your Webflow project, ready for you to start designing and adding content. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.